I am MetaHuman.
Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to talk about MetaHuman Animator. MetaHuman Animator is a facial performance capture technology that simplifies the process of capturing facial performance and transferring that to Unreal Engine. So it is a very fast iterative technology that will allow you to capture facial performance and very easily transfer that to Unreal Engine. So this was a very complex technology in the past, but now MetaHuman Animator claims that this process of capturing facial performance has been simplified. You will require iPhone, or you can use your stereo camera, and you will need to use live link application using your iPhone. So the one drawback of this application is currently it is only available for certain specific models of iPhone. Unfortunately, it uses various depth technologies, and that technologies are available on only specific models of iPhone or stereo camera. So you will need a specific model of iPhone. Further, you will require live link app to capture the video performance of your motion capture. So these are the two requirements, but once you have them, it is a very powerful tool. So how would you use MetaHuman Animator? MetaHuman Animator, you will require a base clip and then the performance clip. In the base clip, you have to provide certain angles of your face. The most important one is the front face neutral pose that you have to provide. Along with that, there are two optional poses, left side of your face and the right side of your face. Those are optional, but it will increase the authenticity of the data capture. Along with that, you have to provide facial expression showing your teeth. After providing that base clip, you will upload it onto Unreal Engine. Along with that, the performance capture that you want to transfer from your facial performance to your actual animation. So you will provide the base clip. Along with that, you will provide the performance capture. So after providing the base clip and the performance clip, Unreal Engine MetaHuman Creator will use the data from the base clip to create this metadata on the performance clip. And that performance clip which has been created, it is basically a blueprint animation in Unreal Engine, and you can use the performance clip on any of the MetaHumans that you create, or you can download it. So it is a very powerful tool, very easy to use, and you can easily transpose your facial expression, facial performance to other MetaHuman creators. The drawback of this system currently is that you have to use certain models of iPhone, or you have to use the stereo camera, and you have to use the live link application which is available from iPhone iStore. So this is the only drawback. Besides that, it is a very interesting technology. You can check out the tutorial of the video which is available on Unreal Engine YouTube channel. I will provide the link of that tutorial in the description below. But if you are new to the channel and you like news regarding technologies, particularly regarding Unreal Engine, do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Tell me guys, what do you think about this technology? I will meet you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.